Hello, this is Imtiaz Sarwar from Worldwide Education and Legal Consultant, Pakistan. First of all, I would like to thank the EBBS group for arranging such an event for the agents where we can have business meetings. This is my third time that I am attending this event. The first one I have attended in Istanbul, Turkey, and then in Oman, and that was really a tremendous experience. They organize business meetings among the agents and the universities under the one roof where we can sign agreements with them and we work as their approved agent. This is a very good opportunity for both of us, for universities and for the agents. In the last, I would like to congratulate the EBBS group for arranging such a tremendous event in Bulgaria as well. Thank you. Education beyond the borders.